Today we're gonna be going to the Super Target, and today we're gonna be making, and slash it's gonna be a part 2 of going on the $100 shopping spree. To go inside.
Eva, have you been inside here before?
Yes.
You came here before?
I'm an elf. I'm not gonna get a Robux gift card because I got that anytime. Oh look, it's a DVD Boss Baby and Family Business.
Have you seen that before?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah?
It's just we didn't record it.
We did not record. Where's your mask? Put the mask on. What's the problem not wearing the mask? Can we not just get done talking about coronavirus in this one?
I can go with the ball and then I can go like this. A canto? A canto? The DVD. There's only one more. Should we get this for the kids?
No, baby, you don't, you have it on Disney Plus.
From the creators that made this movie from Moana and Zootopia. I never knew that. Whoa! What? Clifford!
Look.
It's Groot.
And shake it.
Paw Patrol.
Say it again, baby.
This was a good movie. I liked it. Ganto. Oh, it's Roblox. Brookhaven Golf Cart. I don't play Brookhaven. I don't role play in that game.
You don't play Brookhaven?
Oh. That's the thing with Babcock got.
Frozen?
It almost passed this whole video and I still haven't found anything yet.
That's fine if you don't find anything.
The only thing that I liked here is that the Ganto DVD.
I know, but why can't you get that?
Because I already got the DVD.
Yes, you haven't got that. You have it on Disney Plus, baby. It's pointless.
I really want to record a video of that, but we already watched it. And I don't want to pretend because I would be lying. I don't want to lie on my YouTube channel.
Okay, you don't have to lie on your YouTube channel. Fine. Thank you for not lying on your YouTube channel.
Welcome.
That's very nice of you. Yeah?
Yeah. One of my students in school.
One of your classmates? You
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah.
You're a student, baby.
One of my classmates were this in school.
Really? For pajama day?
Yeah. Piggy again. Okay, that's Among Us right there. Where's the bag?
Is there anything in there?
No.
That's okay, baby. Come on.
No. I got the bag. I got the bag.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, but what's new area? Oh! Spider-Man. TNT for Minecraft.
TNT, yeah.
I thought we just lost the box again. Want me to shine like all of you shine. Look at you.
Look at, they have the thing from Mario Kart. What is it called?
Oh yeah, the thing that hits the person that's in first place. I think that's what it's called.
Mm-hmm.
I think the other one hits the person that's in front of you. This might be a boring video.
It's okay. You know why you can't find nothing?
Why?
Because you don't need nothing.
So why did I come here?
Sometimes we go to the store to buy stuff to make ourselves feel better. Sometimes people go to the store to buy unnecessary things.
Ooh, what's this?
It's for like the front yard, baby. Baby, put that down, this glass. You okay? You almost fell.
Open your eyes, open your eyes. I haven't found nothing yet.
Baby, this way. It has to be this way, baby, remember? That way.
It's a sparse. I haven't found anything.
Did I not say make sure you follow me, baby?
Shoot the chicken thing with a meal. Yeah, because I can't even find anything.
Okay, never told you maybe you can't find anything because you don't know. That's exactly.
We already went here. Ooh. The family, mama. And that's the only thing I can find.
Pipa, you want that?
Yes. Thank you. Is there any more? No, it's only 25. There's only 25.
Get another one.
Yes.
So do you want to tell your subscribers what happened?
This is not really a shopping spree
Why?
because we only bought a little bit of stuff.
You couldn't find nothing to buy?
Yep.
So what did you get instead of a bunch of toys and all the other stuff?
What will go for?
Roblox gift card? Okay then.
Like and subscribe,
And?
and you don't have to. Peace.